Yo, sup. Hope you guys had a great week. Wasn't called into work, so I guess I'll be filming today. What happened Friday, I got off of work and decided to stop by McDonald's to get a drink and some fries. And my car started smoking. And it was a bad time for it to start smoking because I apparently was in the middle of a 1320 meet. Usually every Friday. And there was a lot of nice cars there. And I showed up with, white smoke and signs of overheating, and just sat in the drive-thru. It was a little embarrassing, but majority of the crowd was of course in the parking lot across the street, but it was embarrassing. So what happened was, I've replaced this hose before. It was a bypass hose, but it goes into the water pump, and I've replaced it before, but I've replaced it with just I don't know, some regular not silicone, but rubber hose for the time being. I told myself, hey, I'll do this, I'll use the rubber hose for now until I get a replacement. And time went by and it seemed to work, so I never got a replacement, and now it popped again. And I do want to get a silicone hose, but it seems like the only ones that are available are on eBay, and I don't know, I really don't trust eBay brand. And like the package they sell, it's like you have to get all of the water hoses, which includes the upper and lower radiator hose and the two heater hoses in the back and all the little hoses that connects to the IAC or the or whatever, and the thermostat and the water pump. Anyway, it's more than what I need. I only need the ones coming off of the water pump, the small ones, the small hoses. And they seem to not just sell the small ones. It's like a whole package deal. Anyway, I decided not to get that because all the extra stuff I don't need. I already have Mishimoto upper and lower and two heater hoses, so, and I mean it's freaking silicone, like just like aluminum. It's it's just aluminum. Doesn't matter who made it, unless density is different than other, I don't know. That's the plan for the day. I'm probably not gonna drive it. I'm pretty sure I should be fine. If it does leak, it shouldn't be too much, and I think I don't need to buy coolant. I'm pretty sure I have enough coolant in the garage. Yeah, I don't know. We can go downstairs and check. I'll show you what game I've been preoccupied with. Hold up. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I've been playing Battlefield 5. Well, it is the open beta, so it's just a test run, but it's really, I wouldn't say the game is good, but the game runs really well on this computer. I get I think max frames. Well, as far as this setup goes, I could only get 60 frames because this monitor and that monitor, highest refresh rate is 60 frames, while this one is 144. So it drops down to your lowest refresh rate. So they all run at 60. They all run at ultra high settings, and it's smooth. Man, it's really good. It's really fun. Let's head downstairs. I'm gonna go take out that hose out and show what happened. That probably might have killed my battery. Anyway, oh, I put everything back. Like I was saying, I bought aluminum earlier. It's just aluminum, but this is thick aluminum compared to the cowl and the diversion panel. I mean, those are thin compared to that tow hook. As you can see, I had to use the tow hook several times, so I mean, it worked. Now I don't have a tow hook because of her, or I mean, the intercooler. Let me get some tools, and I need to take the intake off. Maybe some light. I don't know. It seems like there's enough light. Can you guys see? I don't know. I can see.
What? is where the cracks are. I don't know if you can see it because I can't pick it up on the camera, but there's a lot of stress cracks, you know. So that sprayed all over there onto the hood. You can still see some. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and then run over to AutoZone. Okay. All right. So I got new hose clamps, a new hose. He couldn't tell me which one it was between 5/16 and 3/8, so picked up both sizes, and now she's just bleeding out slowly. Yeah, she's just bleeding out slowly. It's okay. It's just, I know I should have put my catch can under it, but it's okay. Yeah, so let's put this back on. First I gotta open this. And it's good that I have both because all the extra hose that I have I can use for my exhaust. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. Man, that was difficult. So I got the clamp on, but wasn't able to get the hose all the way down because the belt's in the way. So I pushed it as far as I could, and I got this on. So now it just loops around, and I gotta put this clip back so it doesn't touch the belt when it's spinning. Yeah, this should be good. Now I'll hold it in place. Here's the old hose. Stress cracks. No, you can't see it. I pulled on it and it just ripped. So yeah, that's trash. Yeah, other than that, I think the coolant just bled out. I think all the coolant bled out because as soon as I pulled off that bottom hose, it just started shooting up like a sprinkler, man. It was crazy. So I think I got enough coolant to fill it up, go back to AutoZone, pick up some more coolant. Fun process. Maybe that's all I need, huh? I don't know. I'll fill it up a little more. That's close enough. And then the way I burp it is I'll grab the lower hose. Say this one, and just squeeze it. Get all the air out. Okay, all right, so I got it all cleaned up. Hose is connected. I need to tighten that. I got the 2 clamps on. I refilled, and I should be good. I don't want to see the aftermath, because I'm pretty sure the whole cooling system just drained out coming out of the outlet on the water pump. Yeah. So what's next? I gotta go to the car wash and just spray this area down, because I don't know, it's probably gonna smell for like a week if I don't clean it. Yeah, I need to do that. Let's do that. All right, she's all cleaned up. I'm at the car wash. It's looking good. So far no leaks. Temperatures are not rising. Temperatures are okay. And that pretty much concludes my video. I didn't show you why I needed the hose for exhaust, maybe another time. Actually, I'll just tell you why. It's so the tip of the exhaust bangs into like where the factory tow hook is. So the mounting points on the tow hook is just banging on the exhaust tip. So what I do is put a rubber hose in between the two,
and it'll keep it from sounding like metal clanging, I guess. Call it whatever you want. And it helps, but the problem I have is that every couple of days it just falls off. So I'm just gonna cut a piece, super glue it to the tow hook. So yeah, that's another time though. I'm good for today. Gotta get my day started. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do have parts coming in for the car. I thought my water pump went out. I knew it didn't go out, but I thought it did. So I decided to get some new parts. Yeah, I'll just wait till I get it before I show you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time because it's blazing hot in here. Okay.